Who are you?
Oh, you.
I'm Logan 5. This is Jessica 6.
Well, I never much cared for my name, even when I could remember it.
We're from the city.
Yes. Yes, we came through the ice. We got past Box.
Box?
This is Sanctuary, isn't it?
Sanctuary?
May I see your hand?
Look at his face. And his hair. Is that what it is, to grow old?
Well, I guess so, yeah.
Well, how old are you?
Oh, I know. I'm as old as I am, I suppose.
Your hair's white.
Yeah. Well, it wasn't always that color. I got my color someplace here. It wasn't your color. This wasn't much like hers either.
Those cracks in your face, do they hurt?
Oh.
Can I touch them?
Oh, my. Try.